growing chefs. In my stir fry, I'm gonna start with onion and some garlic. And then I'll add some broccoli, some zucchini, a few carrots, and then I'll season it with rice vinegar, soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, make it spicy, and I'll garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds.
In my stir fry, I like to have broccoli, peppers, snap peas, and I'll put in some stir fry noodles. I also like to add some prawns. And then at the end, I'll season it with some soy sauce.
To make our favorite stir fry, I start with onion and garlic. Then I add red pepper and broccoli. I cook it with grapeseed oil, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with fresh green onions. And then it's ready to eat.
So when I make my favorite stir fry, I start with some garlic, and then I add some onions, and then I add a lot of mushrooms. I cook it with some soy sauce and some sriracha because I love my stir fry spicy, and then it's ready to eat.
For my stir fry, I add carrots, then I add zucchini. I cook it with olive oil, and then I garnish it with fresh Italian parsley and season it with salt and pepper.
Hi, growing chefs! We're going to tell you what our favorite stir fry is today. We make stir fry with garlic and green onions, celery, and tofu skins. And then we'll eat it with rice. And sometimes I put chili oil on mine, but not for the little girls. Bye!
Bye.